Hello guys, we're going to go over the natural disasters project. Now this is going to be a partner project. It will count as an assessment. So if you go to natural disaster project, that's what you want to look at. These will be notes that we'll take on other people's presentations. You're going to be posting your presentation in this Google slide. Or not Google slide, sorry. You're going to post your Google slide into the discussion that is here so other people can take notes about your presentation. So go into Natural Disaster Project. Okay, I'll post this video in here. Then you want to click on this, make a copy of the project. Okay, so we're going to make a copy. I'm waiting for that. Okay, there we go. So here is what you're going to do. You and a partner are going to be assigned a natural disaster. I have this totally awesome spinning wheel that we're going to spin. Okay. And it'll give you your choice of what your natural disaster is that you're going to do your project on. And I am sorry that you're not going to be, if you're not going to be here to do that, it'll be really fun. You can be with a partner somebody in class. Just make sure you make contact with them and you know like what are you researching and all those things. You're going to need detailed information. You also need to include a video on one of your slides. Okay, so here's you put your natural disaster's name, partner's name. Okay, these are the things that you need to research about your natural disaster, like main facts about what causes it and all that stuff, and where does it occur. So this is more like location. This is like damage. What kind of damage can like this natural disaster give? How can people prepare for this natural disaster? And then you're gonna look up a historical example of this natural disaster. And then you're gonna have a works cited where you need to tell me at least from 3 sources, where did you get your information from? Okay, so that's the research we're going to do. So that'll probably take about 2 days to do research for that. Then on here, there's a template for the slide so that you can use that and you can change the slides however you want, but it's just a template for you to use that's already kind of set up for what information you need to have and how many slides. Then here are websites that you can use for your Google slides. So that should be really helpful for you. And then if you choose to do this project yourself, just email me so that I can tell you what natural disaster that you have. You'll also need to change the settings of your Google slide so anybody with a link can view it. Right? So after you get done with your Google slide, you will turn in your Google slide in here too. So you will submit your Google slide here, but then you will also go back into the discussions and post it there. And then on Monday, we will, oops, sorry, I'm like too crazy here. And this will be set up for each class period, okay? That's why I show so many, because it's once for each class period. Okay, then on Monday, we're going to fill out these presentation notes, and we're also going to take the Unit 3 test, and the quizzes for that is right here. All right, hopefully that helps. See you guys later.